Hey everyone, okay, so I decided to make a little video tutorial about Cerner, things that took me almost 6 years to learn, try to share with you because I imagine it must be tough. I'm still learning a lot and I'm not sure that what I'm gonna show here is the best way of doing things. So if chiefs or anyone else who watches this and has better suggestions, please let me know. Because yes, electrical medical records are complicated. So let's go, I hope this is helpful, okay? All right, so I'm going to be using this fake patients chart. ZZZ test is a fake patient, so we can try to like place orders, write notes without concerns for, doing something wrong on a real patient's chart. To access that, you go patient search, and then you put ZZZ, whatever, first name is T, and then there are many different test patients. You select any of them. Usually, this one is the best because it has already been seen by psychiatry. If you try to access another patient, it may give you a wrong, oh, this open, you see. Sometimes it gives me like, you don't have access to this patient, even though they're all test patients. So this is another test patient. It doesn't really matter, okay? So let's see, let's start with Cerner, the home view, okay? So you click here, home, right? And this is, again, home. Here I have it set up the week view, and I have all the fellows' names here because then I can navigate and see how's schedule of other people, how it's going. Now I'm gonna click on anyone because I don't want any patient name to show up, but just so that you know. How do you select that? You click here, patients for. I have all the fellows. You just check the patients that you wanna see. And here's where you look for a name, a doctor that you want to see, last name, first name, and then you have that option, okay? So this is the home, the week view. But this is the day view. It shows the day for all fellows that you have selected here, right? So sometimes it's helpful to see everything spread out for the day of today. The week shows only one doctor and you navigate per tabs, and the day shows everyone that you have there. When you click the list, it's going to show up your patients for the day, okay, with a name, your patients or whoever you have selected here, okay? And it shows if it's in-person appointment or telehealth appointment, and it shows the color because they change colors when they're checked in their dark blue, when they are not checked in their light blue, and if they're no show, they are white. So this is a way to navigate it, and again, I usually use it on week. People usually use it differently. Here on the side, you can keep track of your notes. For instance, I have 3. Okay, here I don't show the patient's name. That means that those are notes that I haven't finished yet, okay? The days that they were created and what they are. In the case, they were clinic notes, not inpatient notes, and they are incomplete. So that helps me keep track of how many notes I'm pending. Don't do that, don't be me, don't have notes pending, okay? So I'm gonna work on them now. But I can click, right click, open patient chart on the then documentation, okay? So this is so that you know you have this feature, okay? Okay, another feature is here on scheduling, all right? I have here a resident that already graduated, so I make sure there's no patients. Here you have the month view, the week view, sorry, and you can see all patients. And then you can change the way that you view this. Here you go to schedule, view options, day, week, or month. Month is gonna show the calendar, oops, okay, with the patients. And then the view, day view shows you the day, and then when there are patients scheduled, it gives you a little bit more detail. When you need to no-show a patient, that's where you're gonna come. You have to be on the scheduling, and then you're gonna select the patient, you're gonna right-click the patient and click no-show, and then follow the prompts, okay? That's how you no-show a patient.